Welcome to Knowledge Nuggets. Did you know travelers can save up to 60% on flights simply by knowing when to book? That's right. You could be enjoying that extra cash on delicious meals, exciting excursions, or even an upgrade on your next trip. Most people overpay for flights because they don't understand the secrets of the airline industry. For years, I worked as an airline employee. I witnessed firsthand how airlines price their tickets and the tricks they use to maximize profits. I learned the best times to book, the power of fare alerts, and the hidden loopholes that can save you a bundle. Now, I'm here to share these insider secrets with you. Many travelers believe that booking months in advance guarantees the lowest price. This is simply not true. Airlines use complex algorithms that constantly adjust prices based on demand, competition, and even the weather. Another myth is that Tuesdays are the cheapest day to book. While there might have been a time when this was true, it's no longer a reliable strategy. Airlines operate on a supply and demand model. This means that the prices of tickets fluctuate based on how many people want to fly at a given time. When demand is high, like during peak season or holidays, prices skyrocket. Airlines know that more people are looking to travel, so they increase fares to maximize their revenue. Conversely, when demand is low, airlines offer discounted fares to fill empty seats. This is why you might find cheaper tickets during off-peak times or last-minute deals. Understanding this principle is crucial to finding travel deals. By knowing when to book and when to travel, you can save a significant amount of money on airfare. Airlines also use a technique called price discrimination, where they offer different prices to different customers based on various factors. These factors can include your browsing history, location, and even the type of device you are using. For example, someone searching for flights on a high-end device might see higher prices than someone using a budget device. This allows airlines to maximize their profits by charging each customer the highest price they are willing to pay. One of the most effective ways to find cheap flights is to be flexible with your travel dates. Instead of sticking to a rigid schedule, try to have a range of dates in mind. This flexibility allows you to take advantage of the best deals available. Airlines often have fluctuating prices, and being open to different days can make a significant difference in cost. Flying midweek, especially on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, is generally cheaper than flying on weekends. This is because fewer people travel during the middle of the week, leading to lower demand and, consequently, lower prices. If you can plan your trip to include these days, you can save a substantial amount on your airfare. Another tip is to set up fare alerts using websites and apps like Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Hopper. These platforms allow you to track flight prices over time. By setting up alerts, you can receive notifications when prices drop, ensuring you book at the most opportune moment. These tools will monitor flight prices and notify you when there's a drop. This way, you don't have to constantly check prices yourself. Instead, you can rely on these alerts to inform you of the best times to book, making the process much more convenient and efficient. Don't be afraid to book connecting flights instead of direct flights. While direct flights are more convenient, they often come with a higher price tag. Connecting flights, on the other hand, can be significantly cheaper and offer a great way to save money. While it might mean a longer travel time, connecting flights are often significantly cheaper. If you don't mind a bit of extra travel time and a layover, this option can be a great way to reduce your overall travel expenses. Consider flying to alternative airports. Major airports tend to have higher fees and more traffic, which can drive up the cost of flights. Smaller regional airports often have lower fees and can offer cheaper flights. Flying to a smaller, less popular airport near your destination can save you money on airfare. These airports are often less crowded and can provide a more relaxed travel experience. Plus, the savings on your ticket can be substantial, making it worth the extra travel time to your final destination. The real impact: turning savings into adventures. Imagine using the money you saved on flights to indulge in incredible experiences during your trip. Instead of spending a fortune on airfare, you can allocate those funds to create unforgettable memories. You could be enjoying a luxurious spa treatment where every moment is designed to pamper you and melt away your stress. Or perhaps going on a once-in-a-lifetime safari, witnessing majestic wildlife up close and capturing breathtaking photographs. You might even consider extending your trip to explore another destination, immersing yourself in new cultures and experiences. By implementing the tips I've shared, you can make your travel dreams a reality without breaking the bank. Imagine the joy of experiencing affordable luxury, where every dollar saved brings you closer to your dream vacation. Whether it's a budget-friendly adventure or an economical yet lavish getaway, the possibilities are endless. Industry whispers what the experts say. The best time to book a flight is not an exact science, but by understanding the factors that influence pricing, travelers can increase their chances of finding a great deal. Sarah Scott, travel expert at Travel Plus Leisure. Your journey to affordable travel starts now. Finding the best travel deals is not about luck, it's about strategy and insider knowledge. By understanding how airlines operate and utilizing the tips I've shared, you can unlock incredible savings and make your travel dreams a reality. Remember, every dollar saved on flights is another dollar you can spend on creating unforgettable memories. Keep exploring, your next travel adventure awaits. Want to learn more about maximizing your travel budget? Check out my next article, The Ultimate Guide to Finding Cheap Accommodation. Thanks for watching.